The global tally for novel coronavirus infections surpassed 4 million early Sunday, according to a running tally by US-based Johns Hopkins University. Data showed fatalities worldwide reached 277,860, while the number of patients who recovered stands at 1,348,383. The U.S. remains the hardest-hit country by the virus with more than 1.3 million diagnosed cases and 78,469 deaths. The UK follows the US with 31,662 fatalities, while Italy has the third highest death toll with 30,395 deaths. A total of 26,313 people in France lost the battle against the virus, followed closely by Spain with 26,299 fatalities. Spain has the second highest cases, more than 222,800, followed by Italy, the UK, and Russia. China, ground zero of the virus, registered 83,976 cases but has not recorded a single fatality since last week as its death toll continues to stand at 4,637. These figures raise questions in and outside China. Overall, the virus has spread to 187 countries. Despite the rising number of cases, most who contract the virus suffer mild symptoms before making a recovery. Like, share, subscribe and press the bell icon for more videos.